Today's review is going to be on the movie French Biryani, produced under PRK Productions, Puneet Rajkumar Productions, exclusive on Amazon Prime. It released yesterday, and here's the review on Vicky's Clicks. Directed by Panaga Barna, you have a lot of star cast in this movie, but the three main characters through which the movie revolves is Sal Youssef as the French national who comes to India for a 2-day visit in the name of Simon, and then Danish Seth as the auto driver who takes this French national all throughout 2 days, and lot of hilarious things happen. This is a comedy genre. Puneet Rajkumar Productions had given a very strong content movie last week by the name Law, and this week it's a comical one. So kudos to the production house. Production value of this movie is exceptional. It's very good. And the other star in this movie is Rangayana Raghu as the police inspector. Now, the movie one-liner is, you have a French national who comes to India and then with baggage. This happens on one side, and on the other side there is a Don in Shivaji Nagar, a famous high populated area in Bengaluru. You have Charles who's having his last breath to be told. On the deathbed, he utters a single line to his son as, check with Suleiman to get a thing from Simon tomorrow. So that's like a one line what he says to his son, and the son interprets this in a very different manner to the person Suleiman, and lot of comical things happen. From there on, it's a journey on a auto. Sal Youssef and Danish Seth give you that amount of comedy. You will really laugh out loud. Rangayana Raghu gives you that laughter in that police station scene. Lot of hilarious scenes are there. If you know Kannada well, I think this movie definitely you need to watch, because I bursted out laughing in this entire movie. And the climax of this movie is done in a theatre by name Climax Theatre, and that's how the movie ends. Lot of things happen, and in the end the French national he has to go back. So he says he wants to go back, but before that he says India is a crazy country, India has crazy people, and India has crazy things happening. So crazy, you can take it any way you want, but overall the movie is very hilarious. It goes for around 116 minutes, less than 2 hours. Good narration. Puneet Rajkumar has also sung a song in it. The first song is kind of a highlight where it talks about Bengaluru, the real people, how we are, how urgent we are on traffic and all, the food, other things, the locations, drone effects are done really well. On the negatives, what I would say is, the climax scene where the French people and the Dons kill themselves, that was not narrated in a more better manner. There was a lot of questions there. But apart from that, the script was really nice. It's kind of a dark comedy where you need to be very, very careful understanding each of the lines, and it's done exceptionally well. All the characters are so comical, and the flow of the movie is very nice. Overall, on Vicky's Clicks, we are going with a 4.5 on 5. Don't miss watching French Biryani. Thanks for watching.